Alright guys, and today we're going to be doing some tutorials again. I'm not that good of a tutorial, but today we are making a calculator. And obviously we do that first. If you didn't watch my last tutorial, then you should watch it today. So that will, and now if it's a little echoey right now, it probably just stopped. So now I'm gonna give a name to this. I'm gonna call it calculator.
Item 2727. He's negative. Let's see.
So look, calculator.
He's negative 6.
So then you have to add a div to this. I'm gonna say class equals calc.
That kid was. You hit him 27 blue. He died.
And what am I gonna count?
Just dip.
Calc center. And how am I gonna make all of that stuff work? Is into the world of CSS. Obviously, there's nothing in that like duplicate, so obviously we're gonna say
how was that kid 18 HP that I died to?
blank CSS and then this is style dot CSS. We're also gonna make another file named script.js. And so in the style.css, we're gonna make .center. We're just gonna make it have a display of flex, and then just justify content center, and then the calc.
Bird.
And then what we're doing this is we're gonna say width 500 px, and then height 600 px. And then how we're gonna do is background color gray. Alright, this is perfect. Can you stop at it? Guys, sorry about that. Alright, sorry about that. That's just my brother.
What is that mark? Warriors? Just go to the mini map and right click. Where are we landing? And Math Meadows it is.
So then I'm gonna say dot.
I grounded his ass up.
Display, wait, what?
Another love. Another love. Go to this gas station because look at my drop. There's kids landing at this gas station and
class is so the class right here. And then the class is obviously it's for style. And in this display, we're gonna make a thing that's also class. And the class is also gonna be used in a JavaScript file. So this class is gonna be called this.
You probably do the art now.
I don't know, but I'm making a tutorial right now on how to like make. You know, I'm just making like a tutorial right now on how to make like a calculator. So display inner.
Kids late in here?
And so that we're going to put something that's from that. We're calling it display.
Like the one from our the one from our school? So a moose? A moose? That's no, his real name's a mouse?
I'm gonna say display div.
Yeah.
We're just going to name it that actually because display won't work because it's actually like a thing. So this in this display div right here. We don't even need it inside. So inside this, we are going to let this be actually.
This kid just dipped in the car.
We'll change it. Actually, yeah, let's do something to it. Let's do something to it. Background color is going to be a little so but feel
I'm blinking.
so we're just going to the ready.
New kid.
Then the height. It's going to be 110 pixels.
No.
Then display inner is going to be our text. If you don't remember. So then display inner.
I think she legit just got home. I think I just heard the door.
So
Yeah, she was
display inner.
I'm back.
Alright. So in the display inner.
Mom's here. She got you McDonald's.
I'm here. Can you stop? Trying to do this. Sorry, my brother's just like crazy. Sorry, my brother's going crazy right now. He does it a lot. Position. So then position relative. Display inner position relative. And the bottom is 50 pixels. I would just say PX for now. And now that looks pretty good. Then the font family. I like it to be what? Yes, Roboto. And then the font weight is going to be 900. So now let's see that. So now it's looking better. And in our display div, I want to make the border radius of it. It's going to be 50 pixels. The heck? So that's just the display. We have to put that in the calculator right now. I'm gonna make position relative, and then top 100px. Remember, it's going the opposite direction. I need it to go to opposite direction. We're gonna make that like 40 actually. You know, we'll do 60 just to like top that off. Then we've got 40 pixels. And now we are going right now. We're going to make something called a non-op BTN. So what we're gonna do in this is we're gonna say background color. You know, we'll just do gray. We're gonna make it. Yeah, it's gonna be lower. It's gotta be a little lower. I mean, maybe a little, like more than normal. And then our border radius is 50px, which is a lot. Our width of it is 100px, and our height is 100px. Then our font size will be like 80px. And we want to see how that works. So now we're gonna make a div called buttons, not button, but buttons. So we're gonna say button class equals button, and this is where we do all. We're gonna say on click equals to display. And we're going to put a 1. And we're gonna copy the buttons like more. So it's gonna be alright, so got all these buttons. So 1, 2, 3. We're gonna have to put all of them in the to display. Also, plus. So 1, 2, 3 plus. Then we're gonna put our 4, 5, and 6. We're also gonna have to put them in our to display. So I'm gonna make that 6. Then a minus. And we're now gonna make some, then 7, 8, 9. And we're gonna make all these, you know. If you want to fast forward, you also can, because this is taking a little long. So, then obviously we got 0 divided, the percentage, then equals. We're gonna fill out this, alright. So then the percentage, obviously is gonna have the percentage, and on equal, we're gonna change the function to EQL. And I mean, install on CSS. Not all of those buttons. So then 4, 5, 6 minus, then we're gonna add that same thing again. And that's good. So inside all that display, copy it and then paste. And then, well, all those buttons. And for some reason, don't give the font to the other font. So instead, we can do this font family. And then font weight is 900. And I don't think we put our script. I see as our script.js. If we did do that, then just don't do it. Now script.js. We're gonna say let display equal document dot query selector, however you say it, and we're going to make. Okay, so we're gonna make where the display enters where it's supposed to be. a function to display. We're just gonna put num, which stands for number, but I know there's also. So we're gonna just say display dot inner HTML plus equals num. But for some reason it doesn't work. Two.
Ow!
Sorry, my brother is just acting up again. I don't know why he does that at all.
Oh, what's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube?
Okay, so we're gonna say
What's up, YouTube?
obviously to display. I feel like I messed up on something. But all these have to be like, you know, so, and then, six, and 8, and
Merry Christmas, chat!
9, and then our last one. Fly server. What? So what if we just say console.log number? So, okay. So we see here it is because of the JavaScript file. So, just gonna recommend to use git element by ID. Then all we need to do is put an ID, which is display inner. And that's why. And what happens to the equal sign though? Why wouldn't it be working, the equal sign? Well, the equal sign is a little weird because we don't have the actual like equation for it, so it doesn't know what to do. So to make it know what to do, we're gonna say function and then same function. And we're gonna say try. And we're also gonna put catch error. And then this try, we're going to say display dot inner HTML equals eval, which means evaluate. Display dot inner HTML. Then when we catch an error, the display dot inner HTML is going to say the error. And now let's try it. As you see, it works. If we can do it, or you see that, will pop up here. And all I need to say, just the bug where it's like 09 is a little weird, but we can fix it easily. Let's say if display.inner HTML equals 0, then it's not going to be anything. So that means display.inner HTML equals nothing. So that means just close the bracket. And so we're looking at it just equals the I feel like this is a little messed up. This is an equals sign. So then 59 yeah. And now we need or you can have operator buttons. So operator ones. So then and that's very easy. Like it's this easy. So it's this easy to do that. And those op buttons, I'm going to make those orange. And also, we're going to do button hover. And this button hover, we're going to say background color. So it's going to be a little darker than gray. So now you can see there's that. Also need to do that with the op buttons. And I feel like the animation on this is not that good. Like it's just when you hover, it like just goes a little lighter, like instantly though. So I'm gonna say transition 0.2 seconds all. And same with that. So now you can see fades in and fades out, fades in and fades out. Okay. So we're gonna put a BR tag. And copy these two. paste those 2 times. And we're gonna put CL. That one's CL. And on the first one, we're gonna put C. And on the second one, we're gonna put CE. And then to display, we're going just to make that and after that, we're putting BS, which stands for backspace. And we're going to make that a function. So now we're going to say function CL. What we're going to do in that, so we're going to put, so we already put the thing right here. Now, function BS. And I think it's like this. If it's not, then I'll see. Oh, I guess it isn't. Okay. I am going to find out this. So we're going. So I need to find out how to do this real quick. Alright, so we're going to, so hold up. So right now I am okay. So now So maybe this won't work. Been trying to find out how to do it. Sorry. Like, alright, I'm just gonna see how I made it from one of my others. Let's see how I made it from one of my others. So, hold up. This was a... No. Okay, so we're just gonna forget about how to do that. So, instead of making that, so there probably is something else I could make for it. And so I think just gonna do this and just make that a normal button. So then on these, I think I'm gonna see how this works. And then what? What? And then what was the other one? Oh wait, I remember we replaced it because it didn't work. All we need to do now is, since we have a class named button, we're going to do something with that. So we are going to do our position relative. Then we're going to say bottom, spell like 100 X. I feel like the height isn't enough on our calculator. And now looks just a little weird. So we are going to just say right. I mean, not right. Left is 50 pixels. Little less than 50 pixels actually. And now our calculator is finished. So that is all for today. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.